lovely people. How is your day going? Make sure to leave down in the comments. Let me know how your day is going, how you're doing. I'm doing great because I had a surprise delivery, which is my, let me put that right, my March 2019 Boxyluxe. This says it wasn't supposed to be delivered until Monday, so I was quite surprised when the mailman came and knocked on my door and handed me this. I was so excited. So I already had my makeup on because what I wanted to start doing is unbox my videos like I normally do, swatch them, and then the second half I like to try, well, I'm going to start trying on the makeup, but because I didn't know this was coming, I already had my makeup done, so I do apologize for that. A little bit about this box before I unbox it. There is a regular $21 a month subscription, and then you can upgrade for every 3 months to pay $49.99. They take out the $21 like they normally would do, and then an extra $28.99. But I believe I got an email or somebody told me that they're not going to do that. It's going to show up just $49.99, I think starting next month, if I'm not mistaken. But I already did a regular March boxycharm video. I will leave it down below. I do get that in PR, but in PR, they haven't gave out Boxyluxes yet, so I still have my old account that I get an extra Boxycharm plus for this Boxyluxe. All right, so let's just get right into here. All right, so when you open it up, it says Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. Hello. All right, so the theme is Lovey and Rose. So everything in here is rose gold. Right here tells you what everything is and what is in the box. And so when you take it out, that's what it looks like. All right. So the first thing here is this makeup bag. How much was this makeup bag? So this is $20. But here's my thing. Because this is Boxycharm, it's like they can kind of like put a price tag, really whatever they want. So I don't know. To me, it's just like an extra thing. But I do like it. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay. And that's pretty big too. So that's what it looks like. Has that new smell. All right, let's see. So here we go. It does have the Boxycharm logo and right there. And that's pretty decent. You know, if you want to go somewhere and bring some makeup or you have some extra makeup around and want to store it, I do like that. All right, the next thing that I see on here is this iconic London. This is the Eyebrow Cushion right there. Now, I do know that supposedly this month you're supposed to, they went by profile, which is good. I'm glad that they're starting to go by profile. So I got the shade in medium. Now, my eyebrows, well, my hair is very dark and my eyebrows are like a dark brown. But usually with cushion, anything cushion, it's a lot, sometimes it's a lot darker than what it says. So I think this will be okay. How much is this? I forget. I think it's expensive. $40. Wow. I'm not going to open it for the simple fact I don't know if I will use, I'm just an eyebrow, oh my God, an eyebrow, not an eyebrow, yeah, an eyebrow pencil type of girl. So I don't know if I would, I don't want to open this and waste this. So I'm going to hold off to that to see whether or not I'm going to put that in a giveaway. All right, the next thing we got is from It Cosmetics and Confidence in a Cream. And this is full size, guys, full size. Now, I have never had the full size. I do get a lot in samples, and I really, really like this. How much is this? $48. Oh my God. So right there, this right here basically pays for the whole box. So really, you're getting everything else for free if you want to look at it that way. All right, so that's what it looks like. See. All right. So it's filled up to the top, which is good. I'm going to put some on. Let's put some on. Yeah, I do like this. I haven't tried it in a while because I would get little samples in my subscription boxes or, you know, but God, that does smell good. I like that. So I'm definitely excited. The next thing I see is this nail polish from Deborah Lippman. Now, I've never tried her nail polish. I do hear very positive things about her nail polishes. And this would be $20. Wow. So let's see. Let's take that out. All right, so these are really, really pretty. Let's show you. I like the colors together. So this is the shade Modern Love right there. And then you have this shade O'Donna right there. I used to have an Aunt Donna. All right, so that's exciting. I don't know if I would pay $20 for nail polishes. I don't know. Maybe it's worth it. Are you paying for the name? Comment down below. Have you tried Donna Lippman nail polish? I'll get through this, I promise. All right, the next thing we got is this Becca Lipstick. And what shade did I get? Scarlet. See, my profile, I put down nudes, but, you know, I do like red. So this is $24. Let me see what the shade is, because I don't wear red too much. I've never tried the Becca formula in the bullet lipsticks. So that's the color. That's really, that's like a brick red, which if I was going to choose a red, I like the brick red. I'd rather have that than like the orange. Oh, it's like magnet too. Look. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I don't know. By the end of this video, I'll let you know if I'm going to put this in a giveaway. All right. The next thing we received is these Moda brushes. Now, I did get this in my other BoxyCharm, so this is definitely going to go into a giveaway. And I did try the powder brush and really liked it. I didn't like the highlighting brush. It was too flimsy for me to really do anything to, but that is just a personal preference. I do like the fact that these are drugstore, not this specific one. I think these are made just for BoxyCharm with the rose gold handle, but I do like Moda brushes. And how much is this? I forget. $29.99. All right, the next thing is this Cover Effects. All right, so this isn't my shade. I see that already. This is $45. Now, I did get in my regular BoxyCharm the light to medium. This is the medium to deep. Now, I have, yeah, that's really dark. What I'm going to do is have a giveaway in this video because that is way, way too dark. Way too dark for me. Let me show you. I have right here the light to medium. And let me show you. So that is the light to medium. So let me hold up both side by side. Okay, let's see. I don't want to blind you, so let me put this stuff over the mirrors. And then you can see the difference. There is a bit, this is the medium to dark, and this is the light to medium. So it is a difference there. All right, so I'm going to put this over here because that's going to go into a giveaway. So at the end of the video, I will tell you what to do for the giveaway. All right, the next thing we got is some Lily lashes. Now, I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does, and I do want to try lashes one day, and these are beautiful. What style is this? Gaia? Right there. Now, that is just gorgeous. Boy, I wish my regular lashes were like that. Gorgeous. That is so, because I hear a lot of people like these Lily lashes. How much you be? Let's see. $24.99. All right. Two more things. So this is the Wander Beauty Peel Off Mask. I did receive this in my regular BoxyCharm, and I did try it, and I do like it. I didn't see like a brightening effect, but I only used it once. Of course, you have to use things more than once. But my face felt so smooth afterwards, and I like the fact that you can peel it off. Let's see, how much was this? So this is $34. So this is going to go in a giveaway. And last but not least is this 15B Morphe palette. And I believe these are $16. Let's see. Let me make sure. Were you being Morphe? Oh, yeah. 15 shade artistry palette, $16. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. In my description box, I'll add everything up and put down the total value for you so that you guys can see what the value is. All right. This is the first time that I have anything from Morphe with the new packaging, which is really like heavy and it feels really good. All right. Okay, this is pretty. This reminds me of the Sultry palette a little bit. So there we go. That is really, really pretty. I hope you guys can see that. I'm going to swatch a couple. Let's see. I'm going to do a couple matte shades. So there are some matte shades. Let's see. And that's pretty. All right, so there is 3 matte shades. They're a little patchy, but let's see if it's buildable. Let me just say. Yeah, it's definitely buildable. I used put the brown in, but don't go by what swatches are because a lot of times they could perform differently on your eye. All right, let's do a couple shimmers and see what the shimmers are like. So here are 3 shimmers. Of course, I picked, they didn't even show up. I don't know about this palette. Let me try again. Let me really go in there. So there we go. You see it on my finger. All right, so that one showed up a little. I don't know about this palette, this formula. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't want to say anything negative because I don't know. Like I said, it might perform differently. On my eyes, I kind of wish I didn't swatch it, but I do want to try these little palettes. All right, so the question is, I don't know what happened because we're supposed to fill out a profile and it really didn't go by profile this time. I don't know if something happened. I heard a little bit where they kind of they didn't have enough light to mediums. I really don't know. But anyway, it's good for you guys because it's a giveaway time for you. So what will be in the giveaway is this Cover FX that's worth $45 in the shade medium to dark. You will be getting this Becca lipstick in the shade Scarlet because I don't really use a lot of reds, and even though I've never tried this formula, I probably won't touch it and I don't want it to go bad. I'd rather you guys, you know, get a chance to use it. You will be getting these Moda brushes and the Wander Beauty. So for those that don't get BoxyCharm or can't afford it or haven't been upgraded to the wait list yet, you guys have a chance to try it. This is always open up internationally. My giveaways always are. So if you can't get BoxyCharm in your country, you have a chance to win. The only thing that you have to do is like this video, leave a comment down below that you want to be entered. I will do a comment picker because YouTube is kind of acting up with Gleam, so I don't know what to do with that. So I'm just going to do a comment picker. But yeah, make sure that you want to be entered. So if your name gets picked, I know that you want to be entered. And I think that's everything. Let me know down below. Did you guys get the medium to dark or light to medium, or did you guys have that problem? Let me know all the tea. This giveaway will be only open for 1 week because that way, just in case you have time, a couple days to enter, just in case your BoxyCharm didn't come yet, or you know, if you want to do a trade and you don't win this giveaway, you're not sitting on it, you know. So that's good. So let's say maybe about the 18th. I don't know what even today's date is. We'll give it about a week to the 18th. I believe that's Sunday or Monday. And then I'll do a comment picker and hopefully you win. Good luck to you guys. Don't forget you have to be subscribed, like this video, leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.